Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner from Austin there, and today I'm going to salute on this song. If everyone who likes or hate this song, I respect your opinion, and so as I respect mine. Let's start the salute. Come Alive. Yes, this song rocks. I love this song with the burning passion. I listened to that song at school at chorus. And I also love the lyrics, but I don't know the words. Come Alive is a great song. Do you know who likes this song? Everybody at my school. Everybody at my school. They all love that song with the burning passion. And I don't know who hates this song. So Come Alive rules. And so does Fight Song, because Fight Song is also my favorite song. Clyde sucks. End of salute. If you have any requests about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.